People ask me, what can you do at Mid-State Technical College? Well, there is over 50 in-demand programs. From agribusiness, going home, little guy, to HVAC, oh man, burn, to IT, fix that, to cosmetology. I look good. Not only that, but you get access to advanced classroom technology and state-of-the-art labs to help you get hands-on training. My instructors are also professionals in their field.
Hey, great job.
Yeah, ace that. Giving me an education based in real-world experience and connections to my industry. Plus, 93% of Mid-State graduates are employed within 6 months of graduation. Boom. You can choose a new career at a college offering 4 convenient locations and flexible scheduling. The real question is, what can't you do at Mid-State? Go and apply.